If you've not yet had the chance to take Meghan Kennedy's Writing Measurable Learning Outcomes workshop, I highly recommend that you do. It not only provides all the information that you need to know about writing a high-quality student learning outcome, but it allows you to practice at each of the various steps. In the meantime, I'm going to show you just one slide from her presentation. And here we can see the structure of a student learning outcome. An outcome is a measurable statement about what a student will be able to do at the end of their learning experience. It needs to be measurable, clear, and appropriate, either to the course as stated here, or the activity or event where you're measuring learning, or at the program or institutional level. At a minimum, student learning outcomes need to have timing, a verb, and an object. The timing identifies by when the students will have learned the outcome, at the end of an activity, a unit, an event, a course, a program, and so forth. The verb identifies the action students will be able to take with the learned information. And the object identifies the specific content of the learned information. And at times, you may also add context to that outcome. Now, there is much more to learn about writing student learning outcomes, so please reach out to Meghan Kennedy in our CTLE for more information. Or if you need help with a specific learning outcome, or you just need to know more about the student learning assessment process, please reach out to our GCC assessment developer. And thank you for participating in student learning outcome assessment.